In 1922, Egypt's Valley of the Kings was abuzz with Howard Carter's discovery of Tutankhamun's tomb. But it wasn't just the treasures that fascinated scientists. They noticed how certain animals thrived in the scorching desert heat. Could the secret lie in their unique adaptations? The fennec fox, with its oversized ears, dissipates heat efficiently. Meanwhile, the Saharan silver ant withstands temperatures up to 70 degrees, the hottest any terrestrial animal can endure. These creatures' resilience inspired innovations in heat-resistant materials. Who knew ancient tombs could reveal nature's marvels? Hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment to support us.